Hey,
Hey,
what's going on around here anyway?
it's a car show, and actually Hot August Nights, the Virginia City, Nevada edition. And we're just chilling out and watching all the people go by, and Damon getting to tell everybody about the $50 Jeep and a crate he bought. It's parked over there, and things like that.
So I understand this is sort of the pre-show to the big event next weekend.
Yep, that's right. What is it? Well, it's I guess about 5 days worth of car show all over the city of Reno and Sparks. They have cruises, they have shows, they have concerts, they have things to buy, there's drag races, there's drifting, you name it, there's some of that going on someplace. And this is just the kind of the kickoff up here in Virginia City, and then all next week it's going to be cars and pandemonium the whole week.
Well, as we can see, I brought my Jeep, and who am I? Well, stand by. It's just me. And Sean and I are here representing Jeep Talk at the 2018 Virginia City Hot August Nights event, and we're enjoying the weather. It's got a little breeze going. It was hot earlier, and we're having a good time. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.